So you want to rotate your character or camera left and right. Use Add Controller Yaw Input. It turns your view smoothly based on input. Or to get it, you have to type in like add controller, and you will see three nodes: pitch, roll, and yaw. For now, we are going to demonstrate yaw. So as you can see, we have it here already. So I will delete this one. And to move it, for now, we are not going to use input action. We will use a simple mouse X, and it will give you this node where it will just detect if mouse giving an X value, which can be minus or plus. So we'll just connect here and the axis value into this. And by just adding this, we will just following from our previous tutorial where we have this cube, where we have this cube, and we are just able to move it forward with this node. But here we don't need to constantly give it updates like this. So for now, we will just press play, and you can see if we are moving our mouse, it is moving left and right. I'm moving the mouse up and down as well, but it's not moving up and down. It's only moving left to right or right to left based on X and Y value, as you can see here. So if you want this kind of basic movement in your game, you can use this, or you can go advanced level like this, where you use input action in the project, the input mapping key system, and you will get the X and Y value, and the X value and the Y value as well. But for now, we are just focusing on yeah. You can use this node to move your character left to right. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.